हेलो फ्रेंड्स, यूपीपीसीएस मेंस के इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट का सिलेबस मैं डिस्कस करने जा रही हूँ आपके साथ। पेपर फर्स्ट है, आंसर मस्ट बी रिटन इन इंग्लिश। सेक्शन ए, कैंडिडेट्स विल बी रिक्वायर्ड टू शो एडिकेट नॉलेज ऑफ द फॉलोइंग टॉपिक्स एंड द मूवमेंट्स: द रेनेसां, एलिजाबेथेन एंड जैकोबियन ड्रामा, मेटाफिजिकल पोइट्री, द एपिक एंड द मोक एपिक, नियोक्लासिसिज्म, सटायर, द रोमांटिक मूवमेंट, द राइज ऑफ द नॉवेल and the Victorian age. Section B is text for detailed study are listed below. William Shakespeare, Twelfth Night, King Henry IV, Part 1, Macbeth and the Tempest. Second one is John Donne. The following poems: Canonization, Death Be Not Proud, The Good Morrow and The Relic. Third one is John Milton, Paradise Lost, Book 1, John Dryden, All for Love, and Alexander Pope, The Rape of the Lock. Fourth one is John Dryden, All for Love, Alexander Pope, The Rape of the Lock. And sixth, William Wordsworth, the following poems: Tinton Abbey, 3 Years She Grew, Michael and Milton, Thou Shouldst Be Living at This Hour. 7th one is P.B. Shelley, To a Skylark and Ode to the West Wind. 8th one is Alfred Tennyson, Ulysses and Lotus Eaters. 9th one is Robert Browning, My Last Duchess and the Lost Leader. 10th one is Francis Bacon, Of Cities and of Truth. And 11th one is Charles Lamb, Dream Children and Poor Relations. Section C, text for non-detailed study are listed below. Jane Austen, Pride and Prejudice, Charles Dickens, Great Expectations, Thomas Hardy, Far from the Madding Crowd. And fourth one is Mark Twain, The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Paper second, answer must be written in English. Section A, candidates will be required to show adequate knowledge of the following topics and movements: Pre-Raphaelite movement, modernism, poets of the 30s, the stream of consciousness, novel, absurd drama, colonialism and post-colonialism, Indian writing in English, feminist approaches to literature. B, text for detailed study are listed below. William Butler Yeats, the following poems: The Second Coming, Sailing to Byzantium, A Prayer for My Daughter, Meru and Lapis Lazuli. And second one is T.S. Eliot, the following poems: The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock and Journey of the Maggie. W.H. Auden, the following poems: The Unknown Citizens and In Memory of W.B. Yeats. Philip Larkin, the following poems: Afternoons and Deceptions. Fifth, Sylvia Plath, the following poems: Mirror and Daddy. Sixth, Derek Walcott, the following poems: A Far Cry from Africa and Sea Grapes. 7th, Nizam Iqbal, the following poems: Background, Casually, Night of the Scorpion. 8th, A.K. Ramanujan, the following poems: Looking for a Cuisine on a Swing, On the Death of a Poem. 9th, John Osborne, Look Back in Anger. 10th, Eugene O'Neill, Desire Under the Elms. 11th, Girish Karnad, Hayvatna. 12th, Thomas Carlyle, Hero as a Poet. 13th, John Ruskin, The Winds of Wealth, essay second from Unto This Last. Section C, text for non-detailed study are listed below. Graham Greene, The Power and the Glory. William Golding, Lord of the Flies. Raja Rao Kantapura, Nathaniel Hawthorne, The Scarlet Letter.